What if you could get back 10 hours every single week? Not by working harder, but by working smarter with the right AI tools. Because right now, in 2026, the people who are winning are not the ones putting in the most hours. They are the ones using AI to do in minutes what used to take hours. In this video, I am sharing 7 AI tools that will genuinely change how you work and give you back time you never thought you could recover. Let us get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income and real freedom in 2026. All right, 7 AI tools, real-time savings, zero fluff. Here we go. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. I know you've heard of it, but most people are still not using it properly. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's your personal writer, researcher, strategist, brainstormer, and problem solver all in one. Use it to draft emails, write content, plan projects, summarize long documents, and generate ideas in seconds. The people who treat ChatGPT as a genuine work partner rather than just a toy are saving hours every single week. If you're not already doing that, start today. Tool number 2, Notion AI. If you're already using Notion to organize your work, this is a game changer. Notion AI sits inside your workspace and helps you write, edit, summarize, and action items from your notes automatically. Meeting notes become action plans in seconds. Long documents get summarized instantly. Ideas get organized before you've even finished thinking them through. It eliminates one of the biggest wasters in any workday, trying to make sense of your own notes. Tool number 3, Otter AI. How much time do you spend in meetings and then trying to remember what was said or writing up notes afterwards? Otter AI transcribes your meetings in real time, identifies who said what, pulls out action items, and generates a meeting summary automatically. You stop the meeting, the summary is already done, the action items are already listed. That alone can save you 1 to 2 hours every single week just for meetings. Tool number 4, Canva AI. Creating professional visuals used to take hours of your own time or money paid to a designer. With Canva AI, you describe what you need and it generates professional quality designs, social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, banners, documents in minutes. No design skills needed, no designer fees. Just describe it, generate it, adjust it, and use it. If you create any kind of visual content for your work or business, this tool alone will save you serious time every single week. Tool number 5, Grammarly AI. Every professional spends a significant amount of their day writing emails, reports, proposals, messages, and content. Grammarly AI doesn't just fix your grammar, it rewrites your sentences for clarity, adjusts your tone for the specific audience you're writing for, and suggests improvements that make your writing more impactful and professional. What used to take 3 rounds of editing now takes 1. What used to feel unclear now lands perfectly. Better writing in less time. That's exactly what Grammarly AI delivers. Tool number 6, Zapier AI. This is the one that genuinely feels like magic the first time you use it. Zapier connects all your apps and automates repetitive tasks between them, so you never have to manually move information from one place to another again. New email arrives, it automatically creates a task in your project management tool. New customer signs up, it automatically adds them to your email list and sends a welcome message. New social media post scheduled, it automatically shares across all platforms simultaneously. The average person performing these tasks manually wastes hours every week on pure repetition. Zapier eliminates that entirely. Tool number 7, ElevenLabs. If you create any kind of audio or video content for your work, business, or YouTube channel, this tool is essential. ElevenLabs generates natural-sounding AI voiceovers in minutes. Instead of spending hours recording, re-recording, and editing your own voice, you type your script, choose your voice, and generate professional quality audio instantly. Content creators, educators, course builders, and business owners are using ElevenLabs to produce professional audio content in a fraction of the time it used to take. If voice content is part of your work, this tool will give you hours back every single week. All right, let's bring it all together. 7 AI tools that save you 10+ hours every week. Number 1, ChatGPT, your all-in-one writing, research, and productivity partner. Number 2, Notion AI. Turn your notes and ideas into organized action instantly. Number 3, Otter AI. Never waste time on meeting notes again. Number 4, Canva AI. Professional visuals in minutes with zero design skills. Number 5, Grammarly AI. Write better in less time every single day. Number 6, Zapier AI. Automate repetitive tasks between all your apps. Number 7, ElevenLabs. Professional quality voiceovers without the recording time. These 7 tools alone can transform how much you get done every single week. And the more consistently you use them, the more time you save. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 tools are you going to start using this week? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one and genuinely want to know. And if this video gave you value today, please smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel and keeps this free content coming. If you're not yet subscribed to AI Wealth Odyssey, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income and real freedom in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.